Hey guys, this is Mrinal Das and I'm back again with another unboxing video. This time it's my favorite. It's the Apple Watch SE 44mm. Let us begin the unboxing now. And actually I bought it on Amazon. As you can see, it's the parcel over here from Amazon. Bought it 2 days ago in the Amazon sale. Let us unbox it. Yeah, we've got another cardboard packaging here. Let us make it quick. Yeah, this is a difficult. Okay, yeah, got it. As you can see, the clear Apple Watch here. The clear Apple Watch 44mm. This is the box which it ships with. Of course, it's from Apple. Just look at it. SE space gray aluminium case with the black sport band. Let us begin by opening it. There's the seal here. This unboxing experience is of course so smooth. As we know, Apple products are designed like that. Even at the unboxing level, the experience is so smooth. Yeah. Just look at it. Yeah. Yeah, we get 2 boxes here, the one with the strap and the one which has got the main watch in it. Let us begin by unboxing the strap now. First, let's do this watch. Okay, let us open this box. As you can see, designed by Apple in California, and we've got the instruction manual over here. That's pretty much the quick start guide. That's pretty much this. Let's put it aside for the time being. And now this is the charging cable as you see it. Yeah. This is the charging cable. I'm gonna open it later. Okay. And this is the main watch. Just look at it. This is the main watch tile. That's pretty much in this box thing. Enough. Yeah, let me show you that charger now. Here, it's the charger. This is the charger. The watch magnetically straps in with the charger. Yeah, this is how it charges. This is how it gets charged. And now coming to the, and yeah, this is actually made up of aluminium, and the color of this is space gray, and its dimensions are 44 millimeters, and it is made up of its display is made up of what Apple claims it as audionautix glass. Yeah, it's made up of audionautix glass. It's made up of audionautix glass, and you can see the heart rate sensor over here, everything here, and this is the crown, digital crown. Actually, it gives us haptic feedback when operating the watch. That's pretty much about the watch, and I'm gonna give you the details and operation and information regarding everything about this watch in the next video. Yeah. And now coming to this, the strap. This is the strap. It's the box of strap. You can see the label. If you open it, the unboxing experience is quite smooth, as I've told before. You can see the instructions regarding how to attach the strap, and then we've got the straps itself here. See the black strap along with along with the watch. Yeah, that's pretty much itself about the watch. Now this is the strap for the watch. That's all pretty much. I'm gonna assemble it, and then I'm gonna show you the complete features of this watch in the next video. And I'm really happy because this is my first Apple Watch, and of course for my wrist size, as my wrist is big, it is 44 millimeters. I'm gonna start it and set it up with my iPhone, and then I'm gonna show you each and every feature and even how to operate this watch very soon. I'm gonna show it in another video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you do like the video, consider subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna come up with more updates later. Thank you, and now signing off.